Long ago, in a land ruled by empires and religion, a voice rose from the wilderness, a carpenter's son, carrying a message older than the world itself. He spoke not of religion or traditions, but of the kingdom of heaven, the kingdom that isn't built by human hands, yet destined to govern the earth. This is the forgotten story, the return of the kingdom of heaven on earth. Jesus Christ did not come to start a new religion. No, he came to announce a country, a divine government returning to reclaim its territory. His very first public words, Matthew 4:17, "Repent, for the kingdom of heaven has arrived." Arrived, not coming, not waiting, arrived. He wasn't predicting something far away. He was declaring a present reality. So what was this kingdom? It was more than faith, more than worship. It was about governance, citizenship, law, the restoration of divine order on earth. The Son of God was revealing a civilization, a new government from another realm. But the world misunderstood him. The religious saw him as a threat. They expected rituals, but he spoke of rulership. They awaited a priest, but he stood as a king. And so his greatest opposition did not come from sinners, but from the guardians of religion. Yet his message shook the empires, because when heaven's kingdom arrives, no earthly power remains unchallenged. The sick were healed, the oppressed found liberty, and ordinary men became ambassadors of heaven. But to establish this kingdom, the king had to confront the rebellion. The enemy was not Rome, it was sin, the force that separated earth from heaven. Through his death, he reclaimed the lost dominion. Through his resurrection, he reopened the gates of citizenship. The kingdom did not end at the cross, it began there. Every word he spoke, every act of love, every miracle was the reintroduction of heaven's rule on earth. The message was never religion, it was reclamation. It was government. It was the return of a kingdom. The kingdom of heaven has returned. Not in walls or temples, but in the hearts of those who believe that Jesus Christ is Lord.